Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here. Very warm welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. It's pleasure to be connected to all of you right now, and it's fantastic. This is a very quick announcement. I wanted to talk about combining Elliott waves, Neo wave, what is the difference, and combining that together along with time cycle, Y Gann square of 9, and all of those forecasting things. So it's fantastic to be live and connected to you all after some time. And क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे, देख पा रहे और समझ पा रहे, वो मैं पूछना चाहूंगा. Am I audible to all of you? Are you able to see me clearly? And is the Josh very high? It's very important that the Josh should be high. You should be high on energy, irrespective whether the market goes down, market goes up. You should be doing fantastic. That is very, very crucial, and that is what I am asking you. Okay, great to see so many of you are excited to know more about these things. तो चलते हैं, समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि क्या है वेव थियरी, एलियट वेव क्या होता है और क्यों इसे पता होना चाहिए. मतलब ये why we call it as a GPS of the market, उसके बारे में समझेंगे. We will also look at what is the difference between Elliott waves, Neo waves, what are both of these techniques suggesting, and how to combine that along with time cycle or Gann square of 9 and aspects like that. So we will do that. Let me now very quickly explain you कि and of course you want to know कि market में क्या है. So see, I'll tell you, there are two ways to predict the market. Okay, there दो तरीके से market के बारे में, not predict, in fact to know about the market. One of the way is by having a predictive method. When I say predictive method can be predictive method means that forecast कर रहे हो आप, मतलब future में क्या होने वाला है. Certain techniques which forecast the market includes pattern. Maybe you are looking at clearly you are looking at patterns which is like head and shoulder pattern. देखा है head and shoulder pattern, उसमें एक forecasting ability होती है which is not about it is about कि neckline अगर break हुआ तो यहाँ तक market जा सकता है. ये forecasting हो गया. That is a forecasting pattern. Predictive pattern, predict कर रहा है कितना जाएगा. Then there are methods which is like Elliott wave, which is again a predictive method. Predictive method means again it is talking about what is the path going to be. लेकिन head and shoulder pattern में problem क्या है, या triangle pattern का problem is that after the target is achieved, you don't know what to do next. उसके बाद में you have to go on some other charts, look at some other pattern, head and shoulder or triangle or double top, double bottom. वो patterns देखना पड़ता है, और टारगेट आने के बाद या टारगेट मिस होने के बाद क्या करना है पता नहीं. Wave theory, Elliott wave theory is by R.N. Elliott, and he said that in 1930s में उन्होंने ये theory को develop किया, and he said that you will be able to know each and every move of the market. You will not necessarily have to look at only the completion. Say for example head and shoulder का target अगर आ गया, उसके बाद क्या होने वाला है वो भी वेव थियरी के बेसिस पे फोरकास्ट किया जा सकता है. सो एलियट वेव, नियो वेव, टाइम साइकिल पैटर्न्स, दीज आर फोरकास्टिंग टेक्निक. दिस टेल्स यू व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर गोइंग टू बी. उसके सामने प्राइस एक्शन, कैंडल स्टिक, looking at certain indicators, these are reactive methods. So there is a predictive method, there is a reactive method. Reactive method मतलब क्या होता है? Many people follow pure price action trading. That is fantastic, there is no second thought about it. But अगर आपको फ्यूचर भी पता चले तो क्यों नहीं, है ना? तो जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि you should live in the moment, you are living in the moment, but अगर आपको फ्यूचर के बारे में थोड़ा सा पता चले तो क्यों नहीं. So that is what it is about. So the reactive method will tell you what is going to happen, what is happening now. You can look at market profile, open interest profile, or price action, candlestick. These are reactive methods. Now, in these reactive methods, you look at a certain level and you see कि market वहां से break हो रहा है, reverse हो रहा है, and then you act. Maybe candlestick pattern देखा, evening star देखा, and you act from there. Okay, basis of what has happened at that point of time. Now, that is a reactive method. What I see is that you shouldn't be using purely predictive method, because price action भाव भगवान छे, आपको देखना ही पड़ेगा कि क्या हो रहा है प्राइसेस में. But you should club both द स्कूल ऑफ थॉट्स टुगेदर, मतलब प्राइस एक्शन भी देखो, कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न भी देखो, साथ में वेव थियरी या टाइम साइकिल कंबाइन करो. The ability for you to trade becomes exceptionally well. It is like how to drive a car, but now with wave theory you know how to drive a Ferrari. There is a difference, right? It's all about experience, and it's about, of course, making money when you are trading in the markets. So wave theory is just that. It will tell you what is the future, how it can be, what is the possible pattern it's going to form. It will also tell you क्या आपको मार्केट में डाइवर्जेंस दिख रहा है या आने वाला है. एग्जैक्टली अगर फिफ्थ वेव बन रहा है, फिफ्थ और थर्ड वेव के बीच में नेगेटिव डाइवर्जेंस होगा. इसका मतलब आरएसआई जो लीडिंग इंडिकेटर है, डाइवर्जेंस दिखाने के पहले आप प्रेडिक्ट करें कि डाइवर्जेंस आने वाला है. दैट्स द पावर ऑफ वेव थियरी. आई एम टेलिंग यू कि बिफोर द डाइवर्जेंस ऑन आरएसआई यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट इफ देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ डाइवर्जन. इफ मार्केट इज इन थर्ड वेव, okay, which is the strongest, fastest, less time consuming, classic trend to make most amount of money. If you think it's a third wave, the momentum is going to be strongest in the third wave. RSI will go to the overbought reading, which means that this is the time to buy option. If you are in fourth wave, it's going to be sideways. It's not going to go in any direction. It's going to be just consolidating, which is a sideways trend. Now, in that kind of a sideways market, market is इस सिनेरियो में ऑप्शन सेल करके पैसा कमाया जा सकता है. सो ये खत्म होने के बाद नहीं देख रहे हो, ये होने के पहले आप देख सकते हो कि ऐसा हो सकता है. Now that is the power wave theory gives you. To be honest, I have gone through many theories, many aspects of technical analysis, and I've been trading I'm going to be very upfront with you. I've been trading for more than a decade now using these techniques, and it is simply fabulous. क्योंकि खास करके अगर आप ऑप्शन ट्रेडर हैं, आपको मार्केट को टाइम करना बहुत जरूरी है. I'll give you a classic example about time cycle also. What is time cycle? Say for example, एक लो बनाया था निफ्टी ने as per 55 days time cycle that we follow. The low of Nifty was somewhere around 18,130. Guys, do you remember 2 हफ्ते पहले मैंने बताया था आप लोगों को 18,130 followed by 17,960 एक इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल है. अगर वो लेवल ब्रीच होता है तो 55 डे साइकिल टॉप आउट हो जाएगा 24th of Jan तक. याद है किसी को? भूल गए? 24th of Jan तक 18,900 नहीं निकलेगा. Okay, so which means that about 2 weeks back कहा था कि ये 18,900 नहीं निकलने वाला है. And yeah, I can see Shalini was there, Abhishek was there, Madhu was there. Fantastic. तो अगर हमारे पास में ये इंफॉर्मेशन है कि 18,900 नहीं निकलेगा 24th of Jan तक, can that information be very valuable to you? Can you tell me? Is that information valuable to you? कि it will not take out that level, is it not? Or for option traders, option sellers, खास करके आप जाके ऑप्शन राइट कर सकते हो, क्योंकि आपको पता है इसका मतलब ये जो मूव आएगा ऊपर में वो पुल बैक होगा. Now if you know the move on the upside is a pullback, now tell me, will you buy an evening star pattern, leverage more, or will you be looking for morning star and buying that pattern? Think about it. अगर आपको पता है कि ओवरऑल ट्रेंड मैच्योर्ड है और नीचे टर्न हो रहा है, कैन आई से दैट यू विल बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर बाइंग अ इवनिंग स्टार? इवनिंग स्टार मतलब क्या होता है? ऊपर गया, वहां से रिवर्सल मिला, सपोर्ट ब्रेक हुआ, you are buying that pattern. Now your ability to trade increases sharply just with one information, that 18,900 will not be taken out or 18,700 will not be taken out. That information gives you such a classic way of trading the market. Now that comes only if you are predicting the market with certain tools, and this is not haphazard. This is a scientific approach, systematic way of trading the market. I am not talking any pseudoscience. This is booked. I have already authored a book in which I mentioned a lot of aspects of it, and it is not possible for me to do that unless I know what I am talking about. Book लिखना यार मैंने सोचा था बहुत आसान होगा, लेकिन जब मैंने लिखा, मुझे 2 साल लग गए वो बुक लिख के पब्लिश करना, कंप्लीट करना. उसके बाद इट्स ग्रेट. आई मीन it's just very tricky when you are writing a book, and I have authored a book which is being edited by Robert Proctor himself of Elliott Wave International, the Elliott Wave chapter in my book. That's the book cover, by the way, guys, just in case you haven't seen it. That's my book. तो लिखा है यार मैंने ये, और मुझे पता है कैसे चलता है. The reason I've been also so much passionate about is because of trading. Because if it helps me in trading, I do anything as long as it मुझे ट्रेड करने में हेल्प करते हैं. विजय गोपाल has purchased the book. He said it's amazing. Thank you, Vijay, for that. So it's important. तो चलते हैं अभी मुद्दे पे, समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि एलियट वेव और नियो वेव में क्या फर्क है. सो सी 7th और 8th Jan, which is this weekend, we are going to do is Neo wave, not Elliott wave, Neo wave. So R.N. Elliott discovered wave patterns in 1930s. Glenn Neely, in 1970s, he discovered that we need to tweak that whatever was there as an orthodox Elliott wave, thoda tweak karte, thoda rules refine karte, so that our objectivity to trade increases. And so he came out with more number of rules, more patterns like diametric pattern, triangles, extracting triangle, neutral triangle patterns, and more objective rules. One of the best rule for trading that you will know when you're looking at neo wave is using the two-stage confirmation technique. I'll tell you what that is. The secret of that technique is, once you see a faster retracement, just an example, I hope you don't get bored with that. Suppose the up move hai. If the up move takes around 2 days, 3 days to come, this up move is retraced in just 1 day of time. It virtually guarantees that the trend is over. Imagine, that's the word he has used, which means 3 दिन का trend एक ही दिन में निकाल दिया. इसका मतलब trend reverse हो गया. Now you know, you just have to look at the pullbacks. You have to just ensure that whatever pullback you are getting, and you use that as an opportunity to sell because you got a two-stage confirmation. Now, this is one classic technique. If you know, you can trade so exceptionally well in the right side of the trend. Lekin we don't stop there. Along with this two-stage confirmation of neo wave, we will club on 7th, 8th Jan. We will be clubbing that. Along with this, we will be clubbing with टाइम साइकिल, हर्स्ट टाइम साइकिल, जिसके बेसिस पे आप मार्केट को टाइम कर पाओगे. हमेशा नहीं, प्रोबेबिलिटी है 100% नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत सुपर साइंस है. उसके बेसिस पे ही तो मैं कह रहा हूं कि 24th Jan विल बी एन इंपॉर्टेंट डेट. आई कैन डिराइव डेट्स इवन फॉर वीकली. अगर आपको पता करना है कि एक्सपायरी कहाँ हो सकता है, प्रोबेबल, यू कैन कंबाइन वेव थियरी along with time. Once you club both of these techniques together, the combination is simply fantastic. So wave theory along with time will tell you when market is going to reverse, how much can it go, what are the targets, basis of Fibonacci. You will club those things together, and that is what we are going to do on 7th and 8th Jan, which is this weekend, morning 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's a 2-day of a classic wave theory practice that we are going to do in Master of Wave session. So I wanted to ask you guys, are you ready and committed for this session? Because if you are ready and committed for this, this is a paid web event, to be honest. And I am going to release a pre-session video today. एक वीडियो रिलीज किया जाएगा जो आपको 7th 8th Jan के पहले देखना है. उसके साथ में एक एलियट वेव का भी वीडियो 6 घंटे का आपको दिया जाएगा, तो वो भी आपको देखना है. उसका एक्सेस आपको मिलेगा ऑनलाइन रिकॉर्डिंग का. उसके साथ में 1 month ऑफ इक्विटी रिसर्च जो हम आपको देने वाले. उसके साथ में वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू 5 bonus videos also for lifetime. 5 bonus videos is for lifetime. Elliott wave video is for 1 month access, and the live session is going to happen on 7th and 8th Jan on the weekend. So if you are ready, you can take that step forward to be a part of this wonderful learning experience, you know, where we will be clubbing not only neo wave with time cycle, we will be clubbing that along with Gann square of 9 also. Do you want to learn about more about Gann square of 9? We will do that in Gann square of 9 as well. वो भी club करेंगे हम. Sunil Kumar is already a part of it. I can see that. So ये जो live session होगा ये Saturday Sunday होगा. इसकी भी recording आपको दी जाएगी 10 days के लिए, so that you can go through that, you can understand that, and lot of things we will do around it. So it's a fantastic way of looking at the market, looking at simple aspect. लेकिन आपको प्री सेशन वीडियो देखना मैंडेटरी है, आपको वो एलियट वेव का वीडियो देखना भी जरूरी है. So this pre-session video will be released today at 5. You will get the access. So do not worry about it. Plus there will be a follow-up session also that is going to happen. Okay. हमारा एक ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग का प्रोग्राम हुआ था, उसका फॉलो अप सेशन पेंडिंग है. बीच में 31st था, 25th था. So I thought you take some time. We will have that follow-up session in next week for option trading participants, BMW participants. That's going to happen. Don't worry about it. एंड नियो वेव का भी एक सेशन होगा. सो ये लर्निंग के लिए आप देखोगे ना, नियरली अराउंड 30 आवर्स ऑफ लर्निंग्स है. 12 आवर्स तो अभी होगा, 6 आवर्स का आपको एलियट वेव वीडियो लिंक्स दिया जाएगा, नियरली आपको 5 बोनस वीडियोस दिया जाएगा, साथ में फॉलो अप सेशन होगा, प्री सेशन वीडियो दे रहे. तो वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ कंप्लीट स्टेप बाय स्टेप अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स दिस learning of wave theory. If you always wanted to be a part of the Elliott trading community, hashtag wave traders or hashtag time traders is what we call these people. So it's going to be fantastic, guys. So you have to be with me on these 2 days. So काफी सारे जन पूछ रहे थे कि क्या होगा, कैसे कवर होगा, all of those things. And so I thought I'll go live. So many people have been asking about it. So I thought I'll go live with everyone. And हम साथ में simple trade setup देखेंगे. Trade setup मतलब क्या? We will look at zigzag pattern अगर wave theory में, तो उसे कैसे ट्रेड लेना है, प्रैक्टिकल चार्ट पे आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करना है वेव को, कहां से शुरू करना है वेव काउंट, क्या से चेंज करना है वेव काउंट, कौन से लेवल के ऊपर कन्विक्शन 95% होगा, कैसे पता करें. अभी तक होता है ना यार, पता नहीं, शायद होगा, नहीं करना है, ये सब क्वेश्चन मार्क दिमाग से निकल जाते जब आप वेव थियरी प्रैक्टिस करते हो और अप्लाई करते हो. कैन एनीवन डू इट? यस. इफ आई कैन डू इट, anyone can do it, that is for sure. But this technique, I'm going to be very honest with you, it requires practice, it requires some effort even from your end. मैं तो मेरा 100% दूंगा दोस्तों, लेकिन क्या आप रेडी है अपना 110% देने के लिए, जिससे आप इस टेक्निक को सीख सकते हैं. 2008 I did my CMT. Okay, all 3 levels of CMT I completed in 1 year of time. I came across Elliott wave techniques during my curriculum 2007-2008 में, and then I started building up, and it was simply mind blowing. लेकिन फिर मुझे लगा यार कुछ और accuracy increase हो सकती है. I started building up on time theory, time cycles. Then I thought यार थोड़े rules refined होते, तो then I build up on neo wave, and that's my journey. And since then I've been using, I can't even trade if I don't know a pattern of neo wave. So जैसे pattern होते हैं, देखिए ना चार्ट पे head and shoulder, double bottom, double top, in a very similar fashion, even wave theory has pattern. So like a zigzag, flat, pattern दिखा trade बनेगा, pattern नहीं है trade नहीं करना. And you can apply this for intraday trading, 5-minute chart पे. You can apply for positional swing trading. You can apply for investment also. And it worked out fantastic. It works super. अगर आपने मेरा लाइव वेबिनार अटेंड किया होगा, जो हमने किया था आई थिंक 2-3 weeks बैक, फ्री एक्सक्लूसिव वेबिनार, उसमें हमने बैंक निफ्टी का फोरकास्ट किया था, पाथ बताया था. Anyone was there as a part of that webinar, you would have realized how precisely bank nifty moved exactly step by step in that. Shalini was there, she is saying, and how classic it was. You know, that's the power I'm talking about. So wave theory gives you the power to forecast and trade the market. Vidyut Kumar was also there, Giridhar was there. So ये सब techniques बहुत सुपर्ब है यार, आई मीन इट वर्क्स. द ओनली पॉइंट इज, are you ready to accept this technique? If you are, I'm going to give it away. Okay, so you have, if you are not a part of BMW program or Master of Waves yet, take that step now. You can register today under that offer that we were running. खाली आज के लिए, because you are attending along with me live here, आप अपना time दे रहे हो. The link will be shared across by my colleague. You just have to take that step forward and register for the event right now. We have few seats left. You can take that action and be a part of this wonderful journey where we are creating traders who can trade markets in without any fear. Because if we know we can forecast the future, the trading accuracy directly goes up. Again, in a very, very quick nutshell, I'm going to tell you how you have to approach this entire subject before the event happens on Saturday and Sunday. I'll ask my team to share across the link. The event is going to be happening on Saturday at 10 a.m. You will be getting a very clear instruction today at 5 with a pre-session video. जो आपको देखना है वो 1 घंटे का होगा. उसके साथ में आपको थोड़े से रूल्स है वो याद रखना है, बाय हार्ट करना है, कोई ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है. साथ में Elliott wave का वीडियो लिंक्स दिया जाएगा. We are going to be sharing that across. So no, that's not the link. Let me just type it myself. That is, I think, much more faster. How do you go about it? So here is the link I'm sharing, guys. So use this link, please. I'll just share that across quickly with you all. How to go about the event over here. Just a second. Yeah. So ये link दिया जाएगा, guys. Use this link to be a part of this journey. And once you go there, you will be able to register yourself under the early bird price, which is 19,500 plus taxes. Right now, this is not valid post today midnight. So you have to take that action, and people know this will not be there on the website also. So that's the link I've shared across right now with you all. I'm also sharing that across on the YouTube, guys. Here is the link that I'm sharing across. And on the YouTube, I think the link which my colleague shared is not clickable. So use kariye, be a part of this journey. And I'm taking a very quick poll. Do you want to be a part of Master of Waves, which is going to be a classic way? And I've been practicing it. I'm going to reduce your learning time span, which might take months, to just a few days. The reason being, I will give you some cheat code, which is by looking at Ichimoku Cloud. How do you trade the market and do a wave count in a much, much easier fashion? Okay, BMW is combining both option trading plus Master of Waves. So you can be a part of that. And it's simply amazing, guys. So I'm excited to be a part of this program. I just want to know, are you excited to be a part of this Master of Waves journey, which will transform your life from what you are doing currently to where you can be? Do you want to be a part of this wonderful journey? Please participate in the poll if you want to be. And guys who are there on YouTube, you can simply be a part of this wonderful experience that we are going to create. So हमारा intention एक ही है. We want to create traders, and that is what we want to do. And that is what I am doing. I'm open for questions, people. You can post your questions in the Q&A box. I'm open for that. Okay. So there is a quick question that has come up, which is, I have no prior knowledge of wave theory, but I am a trader. Can I learn this and trade? Okay, that's a very valid question. See, wave theory का prior knowledge नहीं है, इसलिए तो आप सीख रहे हैं ना. तो prior knowledge is not required. What is required out of you is just the going through the pre-session video जो मैं आज आपको देने वाला. That's the first requirement. Secondly, you do not require any minimum capital. अगर आपकी capital 1 लाख रुपए है तो भी आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो. Intraday trade है, swing trading है, positional trading है, all of those things you can do it, even if your capital is just 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees. Okay, next. एक और चीज आपको समझनी होगी, ये 2 दिन सीखने के बाद में आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद में एक फॉलो अप सेशन होने वाला, उसमें आपकी क्वेरीज रेज होगी। नेक्स्ट, ट्रेडर्स फोरम का एक्सेस आपको मिलेगा, वहां पे आपको आपके वेव थियरी के चार्ट्स जो भी समझ में आया, राइट रॉन्ग जैसा भी है यार, पोस्ट करना है, वेयर आई विल बी रिस्पॉन्डिंग, रिप्लाइंग, एंड देयर आर अदर पीपल हु आल्सो रिप्लाई एंड रिस्पॉन्ड, वो करना है। सो the hand holding is going to be there, so don't worry about it. So you don't require prior knowledge, that is very important. You can be a part of this wonderful program by just being knowing that stock market kya hota hai. Okay, next there is a question, minimum capital, वो बताया ना मैंने, minimum capital यार, you have 1 lakh rupees, नहीं तो उसके बिना क्या ट्रेड करोगे। एंड खास करके अगर आप ऑप्शन बायर हो, you should be able to do that, okay, because टाइम करना बहुत जरूरी है, जो हम हर्स्ट टाइम साइकिल से करेंगे। वेव थियरी इज द फोकस ऑफ दिस 2 days, द फोकस हमारा वेव थियरी पे है। एंड मैं आपको बहुत ही सिंपल चीट कोड दूंगा यार, इचिमोको के साथ वेव थियरी का काउंट कैसे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं। और उतना ही नहीं, मैं आपको 1 महीने का लिंक देने वाला, रिसर्च रिपोर्ट देने वाला हूं, जहां एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस wave theory is explained. So you will see how the waves are progressing, how it has to be taken, and trade setup. I will be giving you clearly defined trade setup. ऐसा नहीं I'm going to just leave you that way. हम बहुत ही क्लियरली इसे स्टॉक्स पे अप्लाई करेंगे, कमोडिटी पे देखेंगे, हम इंडेक्स पे देखेंगे, बैंक निफ्टी पे देखेंगे, एंड ट्रेड कैसे लेना है। क्योंकि अल्टीमेट एम क्या है, ये एकेडमिक्स नहीं है, ये हमें कोई थीसिस नहीं बनाना है, हम पीएचडी नहीं कर रहे। अल्टीमेटली हाउ टू बिकम अ ट्रेडर, दैट इज द एंटायर इंटेंशन of what we are going to do, is what this program is going to be all about. Am I making sense, guys, to you all? Okay, I'll take up a few questions. Sir, I have registered for the MOW program. When do I get the videos? No problem. Just give me some time. I'll ask my team to set it up in next 10-15 minutes. आपको access मिल जाएगा। नहीं मिला, you can simply contact on 9920422202. Okay, Anurag, you have posted a chart on Twitter. I'm not sure, I missed it. Maybe there are so many tweets. Can you just repost it across, Anurag? So I'll check and respond to you on that post. Okay, that is good to go. Okay, Rachna is saying, sir, I have registered for the BMW program. So how do I get access? Okay, one more thing. BMW अगर आप रजिस्टर किया है आपने, the option trading का लिंक आपको immediate मिल जाएगा. The videos you will get it immediately. You can start going through that later. First, focus on wave theory. So go through Elliott wave video links, and then you will be able to do that. Okay, Sunil Javalkar is saying you want to do mentorship program. See, if you are a part of mentorship, you will be a part of today's BMW Master of Waves, plus you will be again having access to it once the mentorship is starting. So sooner you register, the better it is. If you are part of this mentorship program, that's going to be simply fantastic. We keep discussing a lot of things there. Great, guys. So I can see so many of you are taking that step forward, taking that action. It's fantastic to have all of you. Shalini is joining now. Great, Shalini. For sure, you can get on board. Great to see you taking that action. And so many of you are here. Fantastic, guys. That is what I wanted to talk about. That is what I wanted to share across. This is going to be a wonderful journey. If you want to generate passive income मतलब होता है यार, महीने में कुछ इनकम जनरेट करनी है हमें ट्रेड करके. There can be option selling that you can do. How to select strike price for option selling. Once you know कि एक लेवल नहीं निकलेगा, basis of time, basis of wave theory, then you can do that. You know, it becomes fantastic. So for example, 18,250, 18,260 निफ्टी का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस है, नहीं निकल रहा. और 2 दिन से मैं ट्वीट भी कर रहा हूँ, ये ऑप्शन सेलर्स मार्केट है, सेलर्स मार्केट है. आज जैसे ही निफ्टी ने सपोर्ट ब्रेक किया 18,120, मैंने लिखा यार अभी यूज पुल बैक टू सेल. सो यू नो, दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू ट्रेड. कहाँ से मैंने वो लेवल्स डिराइव किए, क्यों किया, ये सारी चीजें मैं आपको बताऊंगा. यू नो, डायमेट्रिक पैटर्न वेव थियरी का इज सुपर. सो ये सब टेक्निक हम देखेंगे एंड वी विल बी ट्रेडिंग बेसिस ऑफ दैट. That's what I wanted to share across, guys. So don't worry, you will be in safe hands. You will be learning a lot of things. You just have to take that step. The link is with you. Once you click on the link, you will be diverted to the page, which is like this. And on this page, you can go and register yourself for this program. If you have my app, you can even register from the app, Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. So don't worry. And that's the page where you can be a part of this wonderful journey of trading using wave theory, neo wave, time cycle, and Gann square of 9. So hum karenge, don't worry about it. So we will do it step by step. You should just have to take that action, act fast before today, because we are closing registrations and we take only limited seats. Otherwise, it becomes too much of Q&A, which becomes a challenge. I'm ending the poll now, guys. Thank you very much for joining in. Ashish Kyal signing off. People on YouTube, ensure you are clicking on that subscribe button, liking the video, sharing it across, and we will be seeing you on Saturday at 10 a.m. The videos of pre-session will be released today at 5. Plus, you will get access to Elliott video links if you don't already have, and it's going to be simply thrilling experience. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Ashish Kyal signing off.